The Boeing 737 is a short to medium-range twinjet narrow-body airliner, originally developed as a shorter, lower-cost twin-engine airliner derived from Boeing's 707 and 727. The 737 has developed into a family of 10 passenger models with a capacity of 85 to 215 passengers. The 737 is Boeing's only narrow-body airliner in production, with the -700, -800, and her variants currently being built. A re-engined and redesigned version, the 737 MAX, is set to debut in 2017. Originally envisioned in 1964, the initial 737-100 made its first flight in April 1967 and entered airline service in February 1968 at Lufthansa. Next, the lengthened 737-200 entered service in April 1968. In the 1980s, Boeing launched the -300, -400, and -500 models, subsequently referred to as the Boeing 737 Classic series. The 737 Classics added capacity and incorporated CFM56 turbofan engines along with wing improvements. In the 1990s, Boeing introduced the 737 Next Generation with multiple changes including a redesigned wing, upgraded cockpit, and new interior. The 737 Next Generation comprises the 4-600, -700, -800, and -900 models, ranging from 102 feet, 31.09 meters to 138 feet, 42.06 meters, in length. Boeing business jet versions of the 737 Next Generation are also produced. The 737 series is the best-selling jet commercial airliner. The 737 has been continuously manufactured by Boeing since 1967 with 8,636 aircraft delivered and 4,264 orders yet to be fulfilled as of July 2015. 737 assembly is centered at the Boeing Renton factory in Renton, Washington. Many 737s serve markets previously filled by 707, 727, 757, DC-9, and MD-80/MD-90 airliners, and the aircraft currently competes primarily with the Airbus A320 family. As of 2006, there were 1,250 Boeing 737s airborne at any given time on average, with 2 departing or landing somewhere every 5 seconds.